Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add the search bar to our Wix site. To do that, we need to go here to the top where it says Edit Site. We are going to click on that. There we go. Now we are going to the left where it says Add. We are going to click, and then we are going to go to Menus and Icons, and here on Site Search we can add our search bar. We have a few different styles. We are going to use this one right here. We are going to click, drag, and then we are going to release, in this case, to the header. Now we have a number of options. We are going to go to settings, and here we can change the placeholder is what says right there. Let's see. If we delete the dots are deleted as well. And we can enable a quick search that show search results directly when visitors type in the search bar. Here we can turn it on and off. And now we are going to the layout, and now we can choose a layout to be icon and bar or bar and icon. We're going to use this one. Now we can select the alignment of the icon, padding on the icon that will add. We are going to give it some separation like this. The alignment of the text could be to the right or to the left, to the right or to the left, and then we are going to add some padding to the text as well, and we are going to move it away from the border. There we go. Now on the side we can change to one of the default designs if we want, or we could modify it by clicking on Customize Design. And now we have three modes: regular, hover, that's when you hover the mouse over it, and focus is when it's selected. Here in regular we can change the color and opacity of the input field, which is this one right here. We can change it to any color we want. We are going to make it adds a bit more white, and for the icon it's going to be black, and here we can change the opacity, and here we can select which type of border the box is going to use. The color we are going to use the black opacity, and then we are going to give it a 2px border on all sides. And here we can make it more rounded on the corners, maybe 10px. There we go, it's a little bit more rounded. Here we can add a shadow, and here on the text we can change the color of the placeholder text to black, the color of the text when it's typed to black as well. Here we can change the type of font of heading, it could be any heading or paragraph. Here we can change the family of the font and adjust the size manually and make it be bold or italic. And this can be done so as well for the hover. We are going to give it a blue to the icon and white to the background, and to the borders we are going to make them be blue as well. There we go, 2px. And on the focus we are going to give it a blue color to the icon, but for the background we are going to give it a light blue like this one, and for the border we are going to leave it blue as well. There we go. Now we have all our settings for the search bar, and now we can see how it looks. We are going to the preview, and if we hover it turns blue, and if we click the background changes color as well. So we are going back to the editor. Now the thing is that when we add this bar, Wix will create a page for it, and it's the search result page. In this case it has already been created. And now if we click on search results, we can change a few things. We can select it to stretch to the full width of the site, for example. And then on the settings, we can change a few of the options of the page. We can select to show or hide the search bar. We can change the placeholder text in the same manner as on the bar. And on the search results, we can show on the no result page to not show the number of results and search terms, and select to show a number of results per page. 10 could be more if you want, and uncheck the search terms and the number of search results if you want as well. Now for the display, we can select to show all the pages, all the elements, or the pages, and change the order as well. And on the layout, we can select how is the result menu aligned, left, center, and right, and how is the pagination bar aligned, which is this one to the bottom, could be to the left, to the right, or center. And now on the design, we can change a few number of things. We can change the color of the search bar, width, border and opacity color, text and icon, opacity and color. This is mostly like on the search bar we had before. On the result menu, we can change the text font and color, border, opacity and color, and select border color in the same manner as with the search bar. And for the search result page, we can change now the titles for the results. As you can see, we can change the type of heading it will show. Could be heading 5, change the font and size, and if we want to add some transform, this can be done so as well for the description and the search result font and color as well. We can change it, there we go, in the same manner. And for the pagination, that is this one right here, we can change it in the same manner as with the text of the headings and so on. There we go. And the text highlight can be changed on the color as well, and the style, and we can transform it if we want as well. And for a button, we can change the text in the same manner and add fill, opacity and color as well. There we go. So that's it. We have learned how to add the search bar to our website in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.